What's up, guys? Behind me is a Hummer H2. This is our next vinyl wrap project. So we started the disassembly process. That's what Jimmy, Marshall, and Jake are almost ready to get started on. We're gonna be changing this to a matte khaki color. It's gonna look pretty cool. Now there's some parts on this one we're probably not going to be able to wrap. So we're actually able to do some paint that matches the vinyl color. So we're gonna have to send those out to the paint shop. But when it's all done, it's gonna look awesome. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so the Hummer is all done, as you can see behind me. We went with the Avery matte khaki. Now, some areas of this vehicle we could not wrap. It's just basically impossible to do with film. So, like the wiper cowl area and the front grille, we did end up painting those to match. We worked with a local painter to do that. Yeah, what do you think of this thing? Looks super aggressive. We love the wheel combo with this. It looks real military style. Let us know your thoughts on it. The owner also decided to switch to black door handles, so he supplied us with these so we could eliminate the chrome. And same with the chrome that was on the mirrors here. We ended up plasti dipping those. We don't use plasti dip very frequently, but we will use it for small accent pieces here and there. If you guys want to change the color of your car, we can do that with vinyl wrap. Thank you very much for watching. We will see you next wrap.